So crispy on the outside, so juicy, so tender on the inside. I love fried chicken. I don't think anyone hates fried chicken. Now with the ongoing craze of McDonald's Chicken McNugget meal, BTS meal, I thought it'd be a shame not to do a Korean episode. Speaking of Korea, aside from being geographically located next to China, the relationship between both countries are always very close. Too close. And you can find many Koreans living here in China. Koreans are one of the largest foreign ethnic groups here in China. So much so that there are two Korean communities here in Beijing itself. One in Dao Kou and the other in Wang. So if you ever want to know any Korean girls, make some Korean friends, you know where to go. When I lived in Adelaide, I also know of a few Korean communities. But too bad we don't have those K-towns back home in Singapore. That's probably because we're too small. Now, since I love Korean food, as do many others, I thought I'll try some Korean food here in Dao Kou. It's no BTS meal, but there sure is Korean fried chicken. So let's get cracking. It is said that soup will help to replenish and revitalize the body if you drink it. So it doesn't matter if it's summer, spring, autumn, winter, they'll have soup any time of the day. So I guess we'll start with the soup since it's cooking and boiling already. Oh my god guys, did you see that cheese pool? Let's give the rice cake a little taste test. This slippery little shit was hiding some molten lava at its core, which by the way, burned the heck out of my taste buds. Very bouncy, very chewy. Ooh. Oh, it's pretty spicy. The taste of the soup is very chili-ish, very spicy, very peppery, but also very cheesy, very creamy because of the cheese. And because of the fish cake and the rice cake, sort of adds a bit of lightness and texture to it, I guess. I'm supposed to be elegant by eating with chopsticks, but the tteokbokki is just too smooth and slippery, so somehow I love cabbage with the Korean soup. It just makes it taste very good. That was supposed to be a very slick shot of the goopy cheese, but it's sort of coagulated and dried up, so it's just corn with cheese, but we'll see how it tastes like. The corn is very sweet though. As you can guess, at this point of time, I was struggling to find words to describe the dish. But moving on, we are trying the tuna ryobak. So this dish is sort of similar like the Japanese rice ball that you get at 7-Eleven, but in the case of this, you have to mix it by yourself. And I've been to many Korean restaurants in Adelaide or Australia and Singapore, but I've never had a dish like this. There is tuna, mayonnaise, rice, pickled vegetables, and kimchi in this. Oh, they have seaweed inside also, so it's gonna be like a ball full of flavor. It's quite a big serving, so I don't know how two of us are gonna finish it. Okay, let me try this before it starts to fall apart. It's already starting to break apart. Oh my god! Oh my god! The crunchiness from the kimchi and the salted vegetables, and the seaweed adds a clean touch to it. The tuna gives it a very deep ocean flavor. I didn't expect it to be nice, but it's quite a surprising result. So we got the Korean fried chicken, original and sweet chili flavor. So crispy with the coating. Perfect combination. Traditional Korean dishes are usually steamed or boiled, so when the Americans introduced the fried chicken to Koreans during the Korean War, it went viral. I mean, like, it went crazy. And because it was something new, special, and expensive, it was reserved only for special occasions like family gatherings or birthday parties. So to Koreans, it's sort of a special feast having fried chicken. Do you know what goes well with fried chicken? That's right. That really hits the spot. Whew. So the next time you're in Beijing, be sure to check out these Korean towns. Well, that's it for this Korean Beijing episode. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and stay so thirsty.